Next, very important concept to find the domain of the given functions. Domain of the given functions. Now, first one, you have to find the domains of the given function. Now, first question is f of x is equal to square root of 9 minus x square. This is 11th one in your assignment. So, to find the domain of the function square root of 9 minus x square. Remember that square root of a function, root f of x is defined only when f of x greater than or equal to 0. Important part. Root f of x, any function on this form, or otherwise you can take it as h of x because you are already having f of x. So any function of this form is defined only if it is greater than or equal to 0. So now f of x is in this form, square root of h of x. So is defined only when 9 minus x square greater than or equal to 0. Any function in this form is defined in this case only. Domain means you have to find the set of all x for which the function is satisfied. Now multiply with the minus. You will get x square minus 9 less than or equal to 0. This is x plus 3 into x minus 3 less than or equal to 0. Now if you have any expression in this form, x minus a into x minus b less than or equal to 0, where a less than b, then you have to write x belongs to closed a comma b. That is also definition. So here x belongs to, x is nothing but the domain. X belongs to closed minus 3 comma 3. Otherwise, you can just write a real line with the points minus 3 and 3. After the largest integer, you put plus here. Again minus plus. Now the sign is negative. You have to consider the numbers which are having the sign minus. So it will be minus 3 comma 3. That is your answer. Okay. Next, 12th one. Domain of f of x is equal to square root of 16 minus x square. Now again, is defined only when 16 minus x square greater than or equal to 0. So if you multiply with minus, it will be x square minus 16 less than or equal to 0. X square minus 16 can be written as x plus 4 into x minus 4 less than or equal to 0. We will again write like this. Now you put the largest number 4 and minus 4, smallest number. After largest number, you put the sign plus, minus, plus. You have negative less than or equal to 0. So the interval you have to consider is this one. Closed minus 4 comma 4. You have to take closed interval whenever you have equality symbol. So domain x belongs to closed minus 4 comma 4. That is the domain. Okay. Now similarly, 13th question. Square root of f of x is equal to square root of x square minus 25. Now it is also defined, is defined only when x square minus 25 greater than or equal to 0. x square minus 25 can be written as x plus 5 into x minus 5 greater than or equal to 0. Now you draw the real line, draw the real line. Consider the points minus 5 plus 5. After the largest number you put plus, minus, plus. So your requirement is greater than or equal to 0. So you have to consider the plus symbol. Plus symbol, that means this is your requirement. Okay. Domain is x belongs to the numbers which are less than minus 5 and the numbers which are less than or equal to minus 5 and greater than or equal to 5. So the domain is going to be minus infinity to minus 5 union closed 5 comma